In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to set your Roblox Studio to dark mode. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips. Some people like to set everything in a dark theme. Plus, setting Roblox Studio to dark mode reduces eye strain, especially during long development sessions. It also provides a more modern, sleek interface for users who prefer darker themes. To change your Roblox account to dark mode, start by opening the Roblox homepage in your browser on either a laptop or PC. Once you are on the homepage, locate the top panel of the page and click on the Create option. This will direct you to the Creator Hub, where you can manage your creations and settings. Once you're on the Creator Hub page, navigate to the top right corner of the screen. There, you will see your username and avatar. Click on your username, and a drop-down menu will appear with two options: Settings and Log Out. Click on the Settings option to proceed. After you click on Settings, you will be taken to a new page with various settings for your account. In this section, scroll until you find the Appearance section. In this section, you will see two options: Light Mode and Dark Mode. To switch your account to dark mode, simply click on the Dark Mode option. Once you do this, the interface will immediately switch to dark mode, giving you a darker, more visually comfortable experience while using Roblox. With that, you have successfully switched your Roblox account to dark mode. Now you can enjoy a more comfortable and stylish interface while browsing and playing games on Roblox. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.